Yeah, man, this is Richie Spice representing for Jamaican Chat. You hear that? Yeah, it's Jamaican Chat we are talking about. Oh, na. I see you pulling close from a distance. Jamaican Chat. Bang.
Oh, here he comes. Have manners, by the way. Some people don't know. But he is not just Charlie Chaplin. He is indeed Dr. Richard Charlie Chaplin Bennett. Put your hands together for the doctor.
I just want to say, give thanks to all of my fans overseas, all of the Jamaican people, and to brother Bob Marley to make a whole month of reggae for Ireland. Bless him.
No long talking, Rasta. So no long talking to the next award either. To the street.
Joseph Winston Josie Wells Sterling, OD. This native of St. Mary has been credited along with the likes of Brigadier Jerry, Yellowman and Charlie Chaplin as among the best Jamaican dancehall DJs of the 1980s. His career began in the late 1970s, first starting as a DJ on the Roots Unlimited sound system, where he often sparred with Boer Banton and later DJing on Leroy-owned King Sturgab sound system. He gained even more popularity in the early 1980s after moving over to John Jalaw's Volcano sound system and recording singles such as Bubba Dread and Lego Me Hand. As well as later hits for George Pan's Powerhouse label, most noticeably Undercover Lover. In 2017, he was awarded the Order of Distinction Officer Class by the Jamaican government, a most deserving 2024 inductee to the Jamaican Music Museum Hall of Fame. Joseph Winston Josie Wells Sterling, OD.
It's a big deal. Put your hands together. Minister is coming forward to make this presentation, but Josie, now wait for Minister time. Josie, well ready for my award. Come on now, we do the minister. Minister, please give me that. But put your hands together for the one and only Josie Wells. Burning. Reggae gold, don't worry. And he speaks.
Greetings, and I appreciate this gesture and this moment I'll cherish and never forget. And I want to say thanks to the minister for digging deep into the musical career of each and every original youth in Jamaica. But most times we don't get the respect until we fly away home. Give thanks, minister, give thanks. I like how you deal with reggae.
Beautiful, Mr. Big Up every time. Well said, short and spicy. We're going to make sure we keep it going now. Because wait till I hear about who is getting married in the morning.
Winston Foster, OD, Yellowman. More popularly known by the stage name King Yellowman, Winston Foster is the Jamaican reggae and dancehall DJ. He first became popular in Jamaica in the 1980s, rising to prominence with a series of singles that established his reputation. His first studio album release was in 1982, entitled Mr. Yellowman, followed by Zungo 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 Zen in 1983. Yellowman's sexual explicit lyrics in popular songs such as Mad Over Me, boasting like other reggae singers and DJs of his sexual prowess, earned him much criticism in the mid-1980s. In response, he proclaimed, "I never know why they call it slapness. I talk about sex, but it's just what happens behind closed doors. What I talk is reality." Yellowman has been nominated twice for the Grammy Award for Best Reggae Album, in 1985 for King Yellowman and in 1998 for Freedom of Speech. He was the first dancehall artist to be nominated for this category. In 2018, he received the Order of Distinction Officer Class from the Jamaican government. A most deserving 2024 inductee to the Jamaican Music Museum Hall of Fame. Winston Foster Odie, Yellowman.
Of course. Put your hands together as Minister presents the none other than King Yellowman himself. And he's ready. And we run off on the stage, you know, Yellowman, because everybody's here to see it. But it look like he decided to turn the track on for you. We commend you. Minister presents.
Greetings. Only name. I know everybody know that I'm busy all over the world. The only place I've never been is the moon. I love the Jamaica. Everybody know that I am a orphan, but you are my family. I love you.
No place like home. Thank you, King Yellowman. Of course, right now, another great among us. Stand by.
Leroy Sibbles, Odie. Leroy started out as a session bassist and arranger at Clement Cox and Dance recording studio in the prolific late 1960s. So outstanding was he that he was described as the greatest all-round talent in reggae history by Kevin O'Brien Chang and Wayne Chang in their 1998 book Reggae Roots. The son of a grocer began singing in the 1950s. He later joined the Heptones, becoming their lead singer and reading off several well-known chart toppers.
We're having a party. Yeah. We're everything will be alright. Come on, everyone. Yes, come on. It's time that we should have some fun. I know that
Sibbles left the group in 1973 and migrated to Canada. As a solo artist, he worked with many of the known producers of the time, but primarily produced himself. While in Canada, he won a UNO Award for Best Male Vocalist in 1983 and Juno Award for Best Reggae Album in 1987. A most deserving 2024 inductee to the Jamaican Music Museum Hall of Fame. Leroy Sibbles, Odie.
All right, we're coming close to the end, so we have to sit tight. Big moments, more big moments like this one. Put your hands together for Leroy Sibbles, everybody!
I want to say thanks to the Almighty God. And without Him, you know, I set it and I get it. See? Yes. Big up yourself. One love to each and every one. See? Yeah. Zion, come on.
Love it short and spicy. Thank you so very much for everything, siblings, including good music. And now, the next young man. Who can wear these shoes and dance in them like he does? The street.
Odie. This outstanding and venerable Jamaican vocalist is known for his distinctive vibrato and timbre. Both achieved an international reputation as one of Jamaica's finest vocalists through a series of crossover hits that appealed to both reggae fans and mainstream audiences. Ken's first two solo tracks were recorded in 1966 after Clement Coxon had signed him to his Studio One label. He also recorded material for Philip Pratt and Sonia the same year. Ken tasted almost immediate success with songs including The Train Is Coming, on which he was backed by the Wailers. And Lonely Teardrops. Boothe was promoted as Mr. Rocksteady by Don during this period. The Rocksteady classic Moving Away, which was released in 1968 on the Coxon label, remains immensely popular to this very day. Covered or sampled by many artists, among them Dennis Brown and Jackie too. Many Boothe songs have been reused in one way or another. For instance, on the B-side of the single, Moving Away, was the instrumental Streets of Gold by the Scatterlights. Boothe was awarded the Order of Distinction Officer Class for his contribution to Jamaican music by the Jamaican government in 2003. Most deserving 2024 inductee to the Jamaican Music Museum Hall of Fame, Ken Boothe, OD.
Oh, such a powerful moment. And of course, we want to invite and welcome Philip Clark to collect on his behalf as we give the roses while they're still alive. Put your hands together as Philip collects on behalf of Ken Boothe, and we send him love. We send him love. Again, live and its stages. Thank you so very much, Philip Clark. Please send him more love. And right now, they performed earlier. They deserve this moment.